Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the motor in your Yacht's Dyson SV22. Today, we will walk you through each step of the process to ensure a smooth and efficient motor replacement. Before we dive in, make sure you have all the necessary tools at hand: a socket wrench set, screwdrivers, pliers, and a clean workspace. Begin by disconnecting the battery to ensure safety during the replacement process. It's crucial to avoid any accidental short circuits. Once the battery is disconnected, locate the motor compartment. This is usually found under the main deck, requiring you to unscrew several screws using your socket wrench. Keep these screws organized in a container to prevent losing them. As you remove the screws, take a moment to inspect the area for any dirt or corrosion. Cleaning the internal compartment is vital for optimal performance after the new motor is installed. Use a soft brush and a cloth to wipe away any debris. Next, carefully disconnect the wiring harness from the old motor. Remember to take a picture of the connections for reference, as this will help you reconnect the new motor correctly. If you find yourself unsure about the wiring, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and potential mistakes. Now, remove the old motor by loosening any remaining screws or bolts holding it in place. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the motor to dislodge it without damaging the surrounding components. Once free, compare the old motor with the new one to ensure all specifications match. Before installing the new motor, it's a good practice to apply a small amount of lubricant to the mounting points. This will help in making future maintenance easier. If you don't have the tools for this job, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your yacht. Place the new motor into the compartment and secure it with screws. Refer back to the picture you took earlier to reconnect the wiring harness. Ensure that each connection is tight and secure to avoid any operational issues down the line. Once everything is connected, take a moment to double-check your work. It's important to ensure no loose wires or screws are left behind. After ensuring everything is in place, reconnect the battery. At this stage, it's wise to power on the motor briefly to check if it operates correctly. If you hear any unusual sounds or notice any issues, consider reaching out for a quote before repair, as we can assist with more advanced diagnostics. Finally, tidy up your workspace, and remember to dispose of the old motor responsibly. Regular maintenance is crucial, and by following these steps, you've successfully replaced the motor in your Yacht's Dyson SV22. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us for support. Happy sailing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.